Hi, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be reviewing the POCO F2 Pro after using for 50 days. So it's been 50 days of using the POCO F2 Pro device, and in this video, I'll be covering all the aspects like battery and what are the things I like about this phone in terms of the display or camera, and what are the special features it does have the POCO F2 Pro device. And if the POCO F2 Pro gets launched in India, these are the things you need to know before actually buying the phone. And definitely POCO F2 Pro will get launched in India by the name of POCO F2 Pro or Redmi K30 Pro device. So these are the things you need to know about this POCO F2 Pro releasing in India. And for more live wallpapers what I'm using in this video, try to check the links in description. So always check the playlist for the POCO F2 Pro or any other smartphone which I have reviewed in my channel, so you can find plenty of useful playlist videos. So try to check the links in description for more details on the POCO F2 Pro device. So let's get started with the first thing what I like about this phone. So I do like the display of the POCO F2 Pro. It is my favorite thing about the POCO F2 Pro, definitely. So I fell in love from the moment of using this device. So one thing which makes this experience so smooth is that having the 180 touch sampling rate. The phone doesn't have any higher refresh rate, but still it has got plenty of features where you can change in the settings. So let me try to show you the display settings. So where there are so many different customization options where you can use, as you can see, in terms of making the experience very good, and where you will get very good enhanced saturated colors when you compare with other smartphones. So overall, in this kind of 50 days during this time, I did try plenty of various options which is available in this phone. And there is also another option which is called video toolbox. So right now let me try to demonstrate what it does in the video toolbox mode. So right now I'm playing the video in the MX player. As you can see, this is a video which I'm playing in the MX player, and there will be a side video toolbox option, so which will have the other options like floating windows, but the main feature is that style option, so where you can actually change the colors of completely experience, new level experience. As you can see, this is the normal, and when you choose the cinema mode, you do get very good color saturation levels. Definitely this is so far the best. Even when I compare to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which I am recording right now, the display on this phone is very good. So you won't at all disappoint in terms of the display of having this POCO F2 Pro. So this is one thing which I like about this phone. Even the phone doesn't have any higher refresh rate, but still I love the display. So next thing is a processor. Definitely friends, the Snapdragon 865 processor is very smooth. Overall, I did try to install, I think, close to 70 to 80 applications right now. I'm using this device pretty good, so there is no issue in terms of the opening and closing applications. Having the touch sampling rate of 180 is pretty good enough in terms of while playing the game. So it comes into effect when playing the PUBG game or Call of Duty, so which requires accurate touch sampling rate in that games. So definitely in terms of having the performance, I did never faced any problem in the POCO F2 Pro. Definitely I can guarantee you for the next 3-4 years, even if you buy the phone, you won't be facing any problems with this phone. So overall, in terms of the performance, also pretty good. And one thing is that the phone is actually capable of recording at 8K videos. So as you can see, this is another added advantage. So during this journey, even I did try to record at 8K videos, but 8K videos recording will be very much consuming very much high data, which takes a lot of space in the mobile phone. So definitely 8K video is there. So as a future proof, there is also 8K option, so that's a very good thing. So and obviously the 8K video playback is also supported. So right now I'm playing the 8K video footage, so which works fantastic without any problem in the Snapdragon 865 processor. So in terms of the performance, this is a best processor definitely friends right now, which is available. So overall, even if you buy the phone right now, you can use definitely for the next 3 to 4 years. Having the touch sampling rate is also makes a difference. So overall display performance is good. So next, let's talk about the battery. The phone has a 4700 mAh of battery. So if you ask me, the battery life is good, not so best. The reason because recently I got the MIUI 12 update in the POCO F2 Pro, and after the update, as we all know, everything got screwed with the update. For example, the battery decreased a lot. So again, I'm still waiting for the next update where it can be fixed. So right now I cannot give much update on the battery life, but overall I'm pretty happy with this phone. And even the charging, the phone comes with a 33 watts charger in the box, so which is also a very good thing with the phone having future proof, so which can be chargeable in within, I think, close to 70 minutes it takes a time to charge the phone. So in terms of the battery backup, So I'm still waiting for the few more stable updates, so then I can tell you how is the battery. But right now the battery life decreased because of MIUI 12 update. So overall, this is the experience with this phone, with the performance and display and the camera. Having the 8K capabilities is also very super thing. And next is the pop-up camera. As you can see friends, pop-up camera, which is also another fastest pop-up camera, I can say definitely when I compare with the Redmi K20 Pros. As you can see, so you just need to swipe it and it will unlock very fast. As you can see friends, right now let me try to swipe again. You can see how fast it is. But usually I wish we add this kind of option where pressing the power button should unlock the pop-up camera, not by just swiping. So this is a OnePlus 7 Pro where I used to use every time the power button only to unlock. So definitely this is one thing which I am missing in the Redmi and POCO phones for a very long time. Instead of having this swipe up, there should be an option to press the power button. So in terms of front camera and back camera, I'm pretty happy, so no problem with those issues. And next, let's talk about the loudspeaker and the build quality. The phone build quality is pretty good enough, and you do have the higher blaster on the top of the phone, you guys you can see, and you do get the LED notification light whenever you connect the charger to the mobile phone. So let me try to connect the, as you can see right now, so you can get the charging indication as well on the top, so which is another added advantage in terms of getting notification whenever you receive the messages for the incoming calls or text messages. So this is another advantage. So next is that screen recording. The screen recording in the POCO F2 Pro can actually record up to 60 FPS recording, as you can see right now, so which is capable of recording a 60 FPS. That is another good advantage in this mobile phone. But the resolution is capped at 1080 because the screen is actually the highest is 1080 screen, so there's nothing much special about this one. Next, having this kind of edge lighting effect whenever you get the messages or notifications, as you can see right now friends. So whenever you get any kind of notifications or any messages, there will be edge lighting effect in this phone, so which is also another good advantage. So right now you can see this kind of edge lighting effect is going on in this phone. So these are the few things you need to remember. Even the fingerprint scanner got updated, which makes right now the fingerprint scanner very much powerful and very fast in terms of recording the fingerprint scanner. So overall, this is my review after using the phone for 50 days. I'm pretty much happy with this phone, even though the phone doesn't have the higher refresh rate, but still the phone managed to have very good display quality, which I am totally forgetting the higher refresh rate in this phone. So according to me, I need the very good screen quality friends rather than having a higher refresh rate. So in that case, the POCO F2 Pro is a clear winner. So definitely. So overall, my experience was so far good. Definitely after a few days of using, definitely I'll try to make another video where the POCO F2 Pro after using for 100 days. So at that time I can include the battery backup. So right now in terms of only the battery backup area, I cannot give much information, but I am able to use for the device for a single day without any problem. So that is what I can give you at the moment. So for more videos, to subscribe to my channel, Sci Tech Guru. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.